Join me as I explore the secrets behind Darjeeling tea's unique flavor. Often called the champagne of teas, Darjeeling has a reputation that stands out. Its complex flavor profile and exquisite aroma captivate tea lovers worldwide. But what truly makes Darjeeling tea so remarkable? Understanding Darjeeling tea's distinct flavor is no simple task. Multiple factors contribute, from the soil and climate to the processing methods and unique tea cultivars. It's like uncovering the mystery behind a favorite recipe. You know it's special, but pinpointing why is a challenge. One thing is certain, Darjeeling tea offers a flavor profile unlike any other. It's a harmonious mix of sweetness and tang, with hints of fruit and floral notes. Could it be the terroir? The soil, climate, and high-altitude tea gardens in Darjeeling certainly play a role, but there's more to it. As we dig deeper, we see that Darjeeling's flavor is influenced by every step in its production. From the specific cultivars used to the artful way tea leaves are plucked and processed, each detail shapes its distinctive taste. Darjeeling's unique terroir, with cool Himalayan air and rich soil, allows the tea leaves to ripen slowly, enhancing their flavor. The local growers, skilled over generations, have perfected every stage of tea making, from delicate leaf plucking to precise oxidation. One standout feature of Darjeeling tea is its partial oxidation, setting it apart from other black teas with a lighter, yet full-bodied flavor. The true magic of Darjeeling tea lies in the balance of these elements: the terroir, climate, cultivars, and careful processing all blend to create a one-of-a-kind flavor. In this video, we've uncovered the key elements that make Darjeeling tea so unique. Whether you're a seasoned tea fan or new to Darjeeling, I hope you enjoyed the journey. Thanks for watching. Tell us in the comments about your favorite tea or your experiences with Darjeeling. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another fascinating tea topic.